Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'm going to share one of my easy, delicious comfort food recipes, that is 1-pot chicken pasta. But before we get there, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. First of all, you need 1 pound of chicken breast cut into rectangular bite-sized pieces of about 1 inch long and not too thick. Then season the chicken with some fresh ground black pepper, roughly about 1/4 teaspoon, followed by some ground sea salt, again roughly about 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Now mix everything well such that all the chicken pieces are evenly seasoned and set aside. Next, in a deep pot or pan on medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil heats up, add 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Adding butter to oil prevents the butter from burning due to the high heat. Let the butter melt and stir to combine the oil and butter. Now add the marinated chicken. Saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally as needed. Meanwhile, add 1/8 teaspoon of dried rosemary. If you choose to use fresh, add double the amount. Once no moisture remains, add about 1 cup or 8 ounces of sliced onions. Stir in. Add 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir to mix and then saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 cup of sliced green bell pepper and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire Sauce. Stir and cook for about a minute. Now add 16 ounces of pasta. I'm using mini penne pasta, followed by 3 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add 1 more cup later on. Adding all at once increases the risk of boiling over. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This will create a rich taste. Bring it to boil, then cover and cook on medium heat for about 6 minutes, stirring once if necessary. I did not. Later, uncover and add 12 grape tomatoes cut into halves. Stir in while at the same time scraping off the bottom of the pan. Add 1/2 cup of chicken broth, followed by 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/2 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. The addition of these 2 kinds of cheese would add texture as well as flavor to the dish. Now add 1/2 more cup of chicken broth. Stir to mix everything well. Check if you need more seasoning. I'm adding about 1 more teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir to mix. Cook on medium-low for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese melts. When the consistency of the gravy looks like this, remove from heat as it will continue to thicken on its own for the next few minutes. The pasta is now ready to be served. If you have any queries, you could always leave a comment below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.